Hello and welcome to my channel. On today's video I'll be doing an ombre lip tutorial. First I'm just starting by applying some powder on my lips so the pencil will be easy to glide through. Now I'm going in with my pencil and start drawing my lower lip line. After doing that I'll line the upper lips, then I'll use my pencil to start filling the corners of my lips. Going over that several times just to make sure that I get the desired pigment that I want. If your pencil is really pigmented, you don't need to go over so many times. Just that the pencil I'm using is not that pigmented. That's why I'm going over it so many times so I can get the desired pigment that I want. Now I'll go ahead and rub my lips together so the colors blend in well. Then after doing that, I'll go in with a pink lip gloss and apply that on my lips. And I'm only going to focus that color, the pink, on the center of my lips. Then blend it together. After blending that, this is what it's looking like. So I'll go in again with my pencil and just apply that on the outer corner of my lips just to make sure that that color doesn't fade away. The next thing I'm going to do is go into a pink eyeshadow palette and apply that exactly where I applied the pink color before with my fingers and just blend that out so it gives me a kind of matte look. I'm just going to repeat the same process like this until I get the desired pigment I want for my lips. Like going in with a pink color of lip gloss, blending that out, using the pencil on the corners so I don't the purple color doesn't fade away. Then go back in with a pink eyeshadow palette so I can bring back the pink color out. I'm just going to repeat this process until I get it the way I want it. Like if you actually want your lips glossy, not matte, you don't need to go ahead and use the eyeshadow. But I'm using the eyeshadow because I want the look to be matte, not glossy. I wanted but a glossy look, I'll just apply the pink lip gloss, beat my lips together, and make sure that I get the desired color that I want. Then I leave it like that. So the eyeshadow that I'm applying on my lips is just to get it matte. It's not a composure step. So if you have a matte lipstick, you can go in with a matte lipstick, not an eyeshadow. I didn't have a pink matte lipstick. That's why I'm using the pink lip gloss, then using the pink eyeshadow to make it look matte. So after I'm satisfied with the lip color, I'll go in with my concealer and clean the corners of my lips just to make it look very neat. And that will be basically it for today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want more lips tutorial from me, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that for you. Thank you all for watching this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.